All those YouTube channels. They need thumbnails, right? Well, if you have passion for it, if you like to design, if you like to make it, just go for it. And let me tell you why. All these YouTube channels, numerous channels, they all need them. According to SimilarWeb, YouTube is still a growing platform. Believe it or not, YouTube is still growing. And if you just take a look at this information, that there is more than 114 million active YouTube channels. I mean, this is just crazy, right? And each one of these, they need the thumbnail. So, of course, creators don't make them themselves. What they do is they outsource. And every day, there's new channels around. So this means that there's an increased demand for it. Okay, so they outsource it, they look like freelancers, and that's what you can do. And now is the right time. And you know why now is the right time? Well, because of AI tools. ChatGPT, Midjourney, all of these AI tools can help you, but don't be afraid of them, okay? A lot of people are just afraid of these AI tools. They tell like, oh my God, it's going to take away all our jobs. No, they won't do it, okay? They can't function without humans. They need instructions. So what you can do is you can utilize them. You can integrate these, you can just integrate them in your work. You're going to be faster, you're going to save time, and you're going to make some crazy designs, okay? Just take a look at some of these pictures that these people are making with Midjourney, for example. It is a crazy world, guys. This was all made by an AI tool. But of course, it won't come on its own. AI tools, they need prompts, okay? And prompt is a skill. So you need to type that out. Whatever you want done, you need to type it out in specific detail. Now, don't be afraid. It's not that hard. And there is a really, really cool thing about combining Midjourney and ChatGPT, all right? So this is what I have found. One guy on YouTube, I'm going to show you the video later, well, he did the amazing thing, all right? So people, not only him, but a lot of people have just combined ChatGPT with Midjourney. So what they did, they trained ChatGPT to make the prompts for Midjourney, all right? Now, doesn't that sound like the craziest thing? You teach an AI tool to use another AI tool, and the results are just crazy. So this is what I have in mind. If you just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, so for example, can you write me a prompt for Midjourney? So you just ask that. Now you can see that it starts to just like write something else, something entirely else. It doesn't know what we are talking about, but we are here to teach it. So you can just type it like this. Midjourney is AI tool just like you are, and it needs prompts in order to generate images. Here is the formula on which it works. And then I'm just going to paste that prompt. As you can see, I'm just going to do it like this. I'm going to paste it. So image we're prompting 5 descriptive keywords: camera type, camera lens type, time of day, style of photograph, type of film. And we're just going to add, please respond with yes if you understand the formula. So now when I hit the enter key, I'm going to get a response from ChatGPT. So we are basically teaching. So you can see ChatGPT told me, yes, I understand the formula for generating prompts for the AI tool Midjourney. And that's it. Now you can create whatever you want. Now you ask ChatGPT to create for you whatever you want, and it is going to write the prompt. Because when you join Midjourney, when you click on join the beta here, you are going to be redirected here to Discord server, and then you're just going to go to this newbie section, okay? So when you go to newbie section, you will see what other people are creating. So in order for you to create these, you just have to type the following. So /imagine, just hit like space key, and now you have to enter the prompt. And now because ChatGPT understands that as well, you can just ask, write me a prompt for, let's say, classic car image. Let's just do it like that. And then ChatGPT is gonna do it. Okay, so classic car parked in front of retro dinner, neon lights reflecting, it is gonna write us a prompt, which is specific, okay? The more details the prompt has, Midjourney is gonna make wonders. So you can see how long this prompt is. Now it would take me a lot of time just to learn how I write these prompts, okay? And with the help of ChatGPT, it is so easy, okay? So you can see how long this prompt is. It's a skill after all. So a lot of people have just learned it the hard way. But since these guys showed me the way, and other people, of course, well, it just got way easier. So now what you want to do, you just copy this, and then you go and you paste that prompt, and you're going to get a result. Now, the result is not important. Now, what is important? Well, all of these YouTube channels are important, all of these creators, because all of them, they need those thumbnails, okay? They outsource them. So what do you want to do? If you have passion for it, if you know how to design, if you want to use Midjourney, just go for it. First of all, you just need a computer, okay? You just need a computer, and you can go to Upwork, Fiverr, Truelancer, People Per Hour, whatever you want to do. Just start there, okay? Don't waste a minute more. Go and apply yourself. If you like it, you will succeed. Trust me. There is a huge demand. Just take a look on Fiverr. If you just take a thumbnail, guys, you will see that there's 28,000 services available. That's just crazy. A lot of these people are creating thumbnails, and of course, they make a lot of money. But just take a look at this. Fiverr has also recently just added this. So they have added AI services, okay? And in the drop-down menu here, these subcategories include Midjourney artists. So when you click on it, you will see that a lot of people are just doing these as well, but way less competition. So 12,000 services available. So please, if you just have passion for it, if you want to design these, you can make a lot of money. Some of these are going like $5, $10, $15 each, and you can do it really, really fast, especially when you gain a lot of experience with it, when you just get your workflow going on. Now, of course, a lot of these are done in Photoshop, and if you know to work in Photoshop, well, all the better for you. But if you don't know, there's a lot of these free courses on YouTube. You can just go and watch these courses. You can just repeat after them, and you're gonna have some basic skills in order to start with this. And that's just free knowledge, okay? You don't have to pay for a course. You just have to invest your time in it, and you're gonna have the skill which is gonna stay with you for a lifetime, okay? Freelancing, it is such a nice way of working, okay? You choose your clients. You can just work as much or as little as you want. You choose your work own schedule, and you just see something grows, you know? Your business, your company, as a matter of fact, is gonna grow, and you're gonna be satisfied, and you're gonna be happy because it grows every day, okay? You just gain experience each day, and you get better and better clients, you know? So just imagine for how many channels you can create, you know? And the best part about this is that, for example, if you get one client only, well, he's gonna need thumbnails each day, you know, because sometimes YouTubers, they just post each day. So that means you're gonna create something for that person each day. And that is your nice money, you know? But you know what's better than this and what we are witnessing right now? Well, it is this, shorts. You know that there's a lot of shorts. A lot of people are now started to make these simply because YouTube decided to monetize shorts, right? You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million valid public shorts views. You probably know that. Because today, let's face it, attention span is just like going down, and a lot of people are just switching to shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, you know, and you know what? Those need thumbnails as well. People haven't just started creating them because, I don't know, they think they don't need them, but soon they're going to need custom thumbnails as well. All of these, you can see they don't have any thumbnails. So it's a matter of time when all of these channels, all of these people are gonna require some thumbnails for the shorts, you know, because that's gonna happen. Shorts, it's a pretty new concept, but in a short time, this is going to happen as well, and you better be ready. And of course, you can use these as well because Midjourney can create wonders. For example, just take a look at this person. I will create stunning AI thumbnails for YouTube with Midjourney. So now you can see that there's only 2 sales. So this means that it is a pretty new concept. Just take a look at this. This is a crazy thumbnail, okay? A lot of people would click on a video like this one is. Just take a look at how many of these there are. And you know what is cool about this? Because every creator wants good thumbnail. They want their videos to be seen, right? Well, people are going to click on a video if it has good thumbnail, all right? That's how it works. That's how all this traffic is working. And you can be one of those guys making these. Now, of course, it is going to require some patience. You have to be patient, but you have to be dedicated, okay? Set aside a month or 2. It is gonna work. If you just invest your time, it is gonna work no matter what, okay? You are gonna succeed if you just invest your time and energy into it. You've got plenty of tutorials online if you want to integrate AI tools as well. Just search the web and you will find a lot of these blog posts, articles, and then you can utilize all this traffic, all this huge traffic that YouTube still generates. And for the last part, I have news. YouTubejobs.co. Okay, so YouTubejobs.co is a website where a lot of creators are coming and they search for some teammates. Okay, so place where you can find your dream job or next ideal teammate. So just imagine this, guys. YouTube got its own freelancing website. I mean, that's crazy. Only for YouTube jobs. When you head over to jobs section, you will see video editors, script writers, video editors, thumbnail designers. Okay, so you have a lot of those. You can load more. And all you will find is YouTube jobs, thumbnail designers for a lot of these nice creators. So what I suggest is that you go and just take that action, okay? Don't give up. You can be a thumbnail designer if you wanted to. If you have passion for it, just go and do it, okay? If you like to design, if you know Photoshop, if not, if you just want to start with it, just start with it. It's a nice life with it, okay? Just go and do it. Take the action, and I'll catch you